I am going to win these shoes. I am going to win these shoes. Oh, is the camera on? Sorry guys, I was just practicing affirmations. Now you guys ready for some free shoes? This month we will be giving away a pair of Air Force One off-white Volts. You can enter by going to Reshoevn8r.com, scrolling to the bottom of the website and clicking the giveaway tab. You have the possibility of 12 entries if you complete all the tasks. Before I introduce January's winner, I want to personally thank you guys for the continued support. We want to give back to those that support us, and we have a lot of exciting things happening in 2019, so make sure you stay tuned. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, January's winner. The winner of the Jordan 1 Union is Caden K from Colorado Springs, Colorado. You have 48 hours to contact us. We've sent you an email. If you do not contact us within 48 hours, we will have to randomly choose another winner and we'll have to give your prize to somebody else. But congratulations to Caden K. Again, thank you guys for your continued support. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're getting close to 1 million subscribers. When we hit 1 million subscribers, we will be doing a huge giveaway. If you want to help us get there sooner, go subscribe now. Don't forget. That's really going to conclude this video. It's Mr. Reshoevn8r signing out. Peace.